So first thing we have to do is there's a touch screen, so you have to select the language actually. So I am going to select English, and there are two options. Order now will be looking for that, and then you have to select you are going to dine in or take away. So I am going to dine in, and the left side you can see the entire menu, different items. So I will be going for the burger menu. So let's go for the burger menu, and you can select according to whatever you like. So you can see the latest options, if something is new and all, even the price is also mentioned there, and what kind of meat it contains, everything is mentioned there properly. So I selected one, and there are two options, you can select a meal or individually. So I am going for individually, and then you have to do just add to your order actually. So the product is in your cart, and they are asking for some add-ons, but I don't need it. So that is one way you can add this stuff, and there are other items actually. What do you want to drink? So I'm just looking for some cappuccino, so you can just scroll around and see the variety of drinks available. So I'm just going for the smaller one, cappuccino. So, and there are some add-on options like how much sugar you need, so 3 parts of sugar, and then if it's a lactose free milk, so I'm just adding for 1, and now just add to your order. Okay, so after adding that, so the total amount will be the 2.99 euro will be costing that. So it is simple like you ordering in Amazon, and then I'm just looking for any other options, any cheaper options are there or affordable options I can say. So I have seen some meal option with 5.99, so I'm spending 6.99 for a meal. It is not worth it, just for a burger. So here 5.99 I'm getting 2 burgers and fries as well as a Coke, so I'm just selecting that meal. Okay, drinks you can select whatever you want along with that if you're selecting a meal. Okay, so you can see these are the items, so I'm just going for paying it. So I have added the things to the cart. Now you can say the pay. Then if you want to donate, you can donate something for a good cause. So total 15.97. So I'm going to remove the 6.99 euro option and also the cappuccino because I already looking for a meal. So total 5.99. Now there is a cashless payment option. Once you click it, and there are two options, you can select the table number, so they will serve directly to a table. So I think okay, I'll pick up from the counter, so it doesn't matter. So I'm just clicking on the pick up from the counter, and now I have to go to the POS machine. Just below that there is a Wi-Fi pay option is there, or you can just insert your card and pay, or you can just go to the desk also pay, but I will pay directly to the Wi-Fi option. So I'm just getting my card. So now you can see that once the tick mark comes, so the payment is done. Now there will be a receipt will be coming along with your token number that will be displayed on the screen of McD. When the order is ready, they will call you also. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and like. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.